Hey, Bam, with a new video. Today I will show you what add-ons I use and also what websites I use. Some of them I think are a must. Some of them are like not required but still useful. So the first one, which is I think a must, is PoE a weekend trade. I will put down all the links into the description. PoE a weekend trade lets you price check items. Let's say for my belt, and let's say for my belt, okay, with those modifier check. You access this menu by pressing Control D by default, and then yeah, we'll help you out know what's worth what. All right. Next, PoE Lurker. Okay, PoE Lurker, another add-on. It will let you have some icons here at the bottom of your screen whenever someone messages you for an item. You can just click that item, that icon, I mean, to invite them to your party. And then whenever you pick up your item and you trade them your item, you can click again and it will open trade with them. Right? This is super useful. If you're doing a lot of single trades, it's kind of a must. If not, you can skip that one, but still useful. Next one is better Path of Exile trading. So that one allows you to do like stuff like that, which is like saving some modifier on items on the trade website, and then you on a single click you can just reload the whole page with what you were looking for. Really useful in the league start. Whenever you're looking for, let's say, unique items, you can just click on that the one you have done previously, and then activate live search and stuff like that. So yeah, I really like that one too. I would suggest you install it. And then if we look at the next one, this is filter blade. So this is a loot filter. Everyone should be using loot filter. Honestly, there's way too much stuff that drops in this game. If you're looking at every single item, you're losing time. So that way you can start. I would start if you're a brand new player. I would start semi strict and move further when you get to maps and stuff like that. But yeah, you can customize it your own, like what you want to see, different colors and stuff like that. But for the base, I will only use uh, the base semi strict or strict. Next one, Path of Building. I've talked about this in a previous video, but make sure you download Path of Building Fork. So that site lets you use Path of Building. You download it, and then you can use other people's like content creators build and stuff like that, and import them into your Path of Building. Also, helps you with upgrades and stuff like that. So this is a must. Next, we have POEDB. Really useful site to check modifiers of items. So if we click here and check modifiers, let's say we're looking at, okay, I want to craft some boots. Okay, I want to craft boots with spell suppression. What item level should it be? If you look at here, this is all the modifiers, right? The prefixes on the left and the suffix on the left. At the bottom, you have some of the influence. But let's say you're looking for a spell suppression tier 1. So the best of the best, 13 to 14. Okay, your item needs to be item level 85, and the weighting is 8,000. So 8,000 on 56,600. It's pretty low, right? So yeah, this is a way you can use this, learn about how to get your stuff. Also, there are some tags. So if you were to, maybe you want chaos resist, if you were to chaos, reforge chaos into your art crafting station, that way you can guarantee chaos resist. Okay. Next, craft of exile. So you can use the calculator to check what are the odds of doing stuff, but for the most part, I like to use emulator. So if you want to import an item or create another one, but if you want to import an item, you go back to your game and you Control Alt and C. Normally it's only Control C to copy an item. Now Control Alt and C for this website, okay? And then you click import. It will tell you Control Alt C, right? And then you paste it into there, Control V, and then yeah, you can start doing stuff with it. You can remove. You can see what could happen. What would happen if we scour it, for example, and then what would happen if I were to craft with frigid, let's say, or something like that. All right. That way, you can test instead of spending all your currency in game. You can just test on this website. All right. Next, PoE Ninja. So there's two things about this. First off, you can check the price of anything. Like let's say divination cards. You're looking for, okay, what's the best divination card? I have a stash of divination card. I don't know what's worth something. Well, you can look at this and just copy paste the names and look for them or stuff like that. And it has access to really everything, the bases, the essences, whatever you want, right? And the other side of it is, this is for economy. So the other sides of it are builds. So let's say you're playing, let's say you're playing Tornado Shot, okay, which is super common in every league. Okay, now you can see, okay, who's playing Tornado Shot, what are they using, so you can compare and decide what you want to go for. All right. As I said, then your streamers, if you want to check streamers build, uh, you will be able to check that too. Okay, and for the last one, it's called PoE Regex or PoE.re, and that way you can enter whatever you're looking for here. Let's say we're looking for blue red on the one end, or okay, or whatever on blue red for your starting gear. Then you copy this, and whenever you go to the vendor, right? I'll go to a vendor. Say we go to the Act 10 vendor for, okay, and I already copied it, but then I will check the gear. I think it's Willem who sells. Yeah. Then you can paste it here, and whatever is blue, red, or we has two blue and one red will appear. Okay, it would be highlighted. So that's something really useful. And on that website, you can actually use it. You can use it for vendor stuff, map modifiers, expedition. So Gwenan, whenever you're gambling with Gwenan, you can copy this line and then use it. Same for heist and flask. I've used this in a previous video. Yeah, you can put whatever you want. Same for bestiary. So let's say you don't know what builds you have available in bestiary and you want to check, you can check with this. I also made a video about this regex and how to check your beast. So yeah, hopefully this helps you. And as I said, like some of them aren't required when you start, but I would say that PoE Awaken trade and having a filter is a must. The rest can wait. You can add them. You can add them like later on. It doesn't matter. But yeah, so filter blade for the filter and Awaken PoE trade. All right, guys, take care.